am so glad you clicked on this video because that means you're interested in Savvy Social School Pro, a mentorship program designed for social media managers and professionals who want to scale into an agency model. I'm your mentor, Andrea Jones, and in this video, I'm going to share my screen and give you a little behind the scenes tour of all of the things that are included with your mentorship. But before we get into this video, I do want to let you know that if you have any questions along the way, my inbox and my direct messages are open. So email me or send me a direct message on Instagram. I love a good voice DM, and I'd love to talk through if this is the right fit for you. All right, let me show you what's inside of the program. Our beautiful program is now hosted in a tool called Circle. So if you're in any other Circle communities like I am, you can see on the side here, they're all in one place, which I love. Also, if you've been previously considering the program, we had another place where we hosted courses versus community. That is no longer the case. Everything's in one place. And I want to start first with our Boss Up course, which is really the foundation of everything that I teach in the mentorship program. Whether you are newer in your journey and you want to focus on some smart foundations, building out your business, your pricing, your packaging, or you're in growth stages like most of our mentees and you're looking for ways to wow your clients, you're looking for ways to increase your rates, build out your team. This section is super popular with our mentees. Retaining your clients, multiplying your efforts, and adding on additional services. We have those trainings here in the course, and this is a living, breathing course for a lot of what we go through. So that means I'm constantly adding to it so that you get all of the latest and greatest things that are happening in the industry. Next up, we have the Behind the Business private podcast because y'all, I run an agency, which is really my full-time job when it comes to the things that I do in my business. For example, about 70 to 80% of my revenue comes in through the agency. So yeah, that's the main thing that I do. And I share the behind the scenes, the bumps in the road, the growth opportunities, growing pains, and more, all in this Behind the Business audio series. One of my values is to pull back the curtain. So we also do that in our real world examples section of the course. One of my values is to lead by example. So I do that in the real world examples section of the mentorship program. I share with you the sales calls, proposals, and pitches, and all of the things that I'm actually using in my business to give you transparency into what it's like. You get to be a little fly on the wall and watch my team calls, watch client onboardings, look through client objections, and more. One of my favorite parts of the program is one-on-one support. So yeah, you get me, your mentor, with you all month long in your membership. That means every month you get a one-on-one call with me, and you also have the opportunity to DM me. We call it our SOS. You can send me a voice note or a text-based DM. I will respond probably with a voice note, and we can talk through anything that's going on in your business. This is over and above the one-on-one call each month. My second favorite thing about the membership and the mentorship is our community. We have an amazing group of mentees kept intentionally small so that we can all feel comfortable and safe talking about our business challenges and celebrating our wins. So every single month we go into our business clarity call. It's a mastermind style call where we all get on the call together and we talk about what's going on in our business, troubleshoot any issues, and get some support from our fellow business owners. We also have a few other monthly events, including things like our monthly accountability session. Sometimes we host challenges like our upcoming Boss Week, and we also have guest experts and my team come in and show you some more behind the scenes and teach you more about running a digital marketing agency. If you ever get stuck and need a template or some tech support, we've got an entire section on that. Everything from planning to pitching, onboarding to delivering client assets, we've got you covered in this section. And if you follow my mentorship, one of the things I often recommend is building out a team. But listen, you don't have to train your team. You and your team can get entire access to our library of resources. So while Savvy Social School Pro is just for us, your team will get access to things like how to use Instagram or Facebook, or how to edit videos, or how to create templates, or what's new and happening and trending in the social media world. Your team will have access to all of that so that you don't have to train them. We help you train them so that they can have everything they need to be successful. One thing I know about you is you're probably not struggling in your business. You've seen some success and you just want to have more balance. You're finally ready to have a team that can help support you so that you can take the vacation or, like me, have 2 kids under 2. Whatever the case may be, I do want to let you know that some of my philosophies around running a business aren't always about working hard and hustling and grinding. Yes, there is a time and place for that, but my biggest goal for all of my mentees is to help you find and build a business that works for you and for your lifestyle. So if that sounds like it could be a good fit, I hope to see you in the program. That's all for today. Bye for now.